Hi, I will show you how to work on this multi-head on the touch screen.
开机之前要确保里面是空的啊。
First, you need to make sure that before you operate, the old scale is empty, not product inside.
所以每次下料前要先点字铃。
And then press 0.
如果里面有料的话，全部料是。
0, then all the hopper will 0 and open once. So if you have product inside, it will fall.
然后是标定的话是这个密码。
Then press calibration, password 61.
先选择斗。
Choose the winner.
1号斗，输入1号。
Well, 1, and this is combination 1. Press 0. And then put this mark. Place mark on the scale. You can see the set part have 1, 2, 3. All the hopper have the mark. Okay.
看到没有？装的时候这边也是按照这个顺序装。
You see here also have the it's connecting. Yeah, same. Okay. So put them together as the name show.
好，这就是1号斗。
Oh, this is the winner 1.
把这个放这个1号斗上面。
We put the mark on this winner.
然后下去点。
And then I'll go down to click. After we put the mark on there, and then here you press 4. Now,
好，可以了。
Oh. Then you say it's okay, and then change it to winner 2. Press 0. Okay, and then put the mark on the number 2 scale. Few minutes. 你放在2号。on the number 2, and then we press 4. So it's okay. It's like this. Then we press here to 3. 3号了。Press 0 first, and then put the mark on the third winner. Then press 4. 等一下。999啊。So it's okay, it's like this. So first the calibration, we will do it like this. And you need to do it from 1 to 14. 1 to 14, because we have 14 hopper. Then also press 0 first and put mark on, and then press 4. Then that is okay. So this is calibration page. So for example, now we put the mark on winner 14 already. So I press here 4. Then it's okay. So this calibration is finished.